good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. As Christmas shopping intensifies across the island, the Consumer Affairs Commission, CAC, is warning merchants that signs which dictate no refund are illegal. Communications specialist at the CAC, Dorothy Campbell, says the signs, which tend to pop up more frequently over the holiday season, have no power in the process of achieving redress for consumers.
Under the Consumer Protection Act, the very foundation of the protection that the Act provides for consumers is to repair, replace, or refund in the event that the rights of the consumer has been breached. So it is a right of the consumer under law. So in the event that the sign has been posted in a store or printed on a receipt, in the event that this consumer's right has been breached based on the investigations of the complaints officer, that sign is null and void. Because under the law, if the right of the consumer has been breached and we have found that to be so, then the recourse is under the law. You have to replace the item, you have to repair the item, or give a refund.
But there are limits to the Consumer Protection Act. She says those purchasing goods online from overseas producers are not covered by the law.
Unfortunately, the Consumer Protection Act does not extend beyond borders. So ensure that you understand exactly what is the return policy. In saying that, we're also saying to consumers who are purchasing things like laptops and tablets and so on, that it is advisable that you purchase these from local merchants, reputable merchants.
Now, the Bank of Jamaica issued its final monetary policy decision for the year today. Now, consistent with its projections, the central bank has decided to hold the policy interest rate unchanged at 0.5% per annum. The bank says it intends to maintain this monetary policy stance until there are clear signs that economic activity in Jamaica is returning to pre-COVID-19 levels. The next policy decision announcement date is February 16, 2021. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $144.18. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.86. The pound is going for $194.27, while the euro closed at $178.62. The JSE index lost 658 points today, and the junior market index is down 41 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group 7.5%, CAC 2000 9.5%, Maybury Investments, SSL Venture Capital, and JMMB Group. On the losing side were Blue Power Group, Epley 8.75%, Mailpack, iCreate, and Siboney Group. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.